Welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Ray. I'm 8 years old and I'm going to teach you how to make oats porridge. Oats porridge gives me a lot of energy to start my day. The following ingredients: coconut milk, condensed milk, cinnamon, vanilla, salt and oats. Sadly, we don't have any nutmeg, but the porridge is still going to be delicious. Let's get started. I'm going to allow 3/4 cup of oats for each person. Start with, we're going to add some cold milk or cold water. Mix it together. Now we're going to add some boiling water from our kettle. Using boiled water will help the porridge cook quicker. I'm going to put the porridge on the cooker now. Boil the porridge on a medium flame. I'm going to stir the porridge occasionally. If it gets too thick, I'm just going to add some more water to it. The porridge is a bit thick, so I'm going to add more water. I'm now going to leave the porridge to boil for about 5 minutes. Now it's time to spice the porridge up. We're going to add in some vanilla, some cinnamon, and some salt. Now we're going to add some condensed milk. Mix it all up. Taste the porridge if it's to your liking and adjust if it's needed. A bit more condensed milk. Now it's time to share. Here you have it, delicious oats porridge. And can't forget the bread.